Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to create videos using the Canva AI. Okay, so Canva just rolled out the Canva AI, which we have been using recently and I've been enjoying it. So today we're going to learn some of the basics about how to use the Canva AI to generate some fantastic shots or videos that you can use for your content, or you can use as b-rolls, or generally to tell a story about any idea or any concept. So once you log into Canva, you can come to canva.com and then you can log into Canva. You can see Canva AI over here at the top, or alternatively you can see it by the side here. So just click on Canva AI and it will bring over here. You can see recent charts that I had with it, see what you can do with Canva AI in terms of the image generation, designs, coding, write. You can do different kind of things with Canva AI. Now once you click on Canva AI, you click inside, you're going to have this option. You can do design, image, document creation, coding, and video clip. For now, we just go ahead and click on video clip, and the first thing you need to do is to start by selecting the style, the type of video that you want to create. I'm going to go with this cinematic, and then you can select the aspect ratio. For now, they only have the horizontal, which is 16:9, and the other one is commensal. And then you can have audio if you want, no audio, but I think we can add some audio to this, so it becomes very cinematic and you enjoy it. Okay, so framing, I keep everything. You can keep it one shot. Okay, can go at one shot, and then the lighting, I keep it at default. But if you want to have some pretty basic things to deal with. Now the next thing is the prompt. What are you going to talk about? What do you want to write? So let's go to our friend, the normal friend that we do have all, the ChatGPT, and let's see how this is going to give us something. All right, I want you to give me 2 video ideas about animals playing in the jungle. Make it very interesting. Some background music to match the moments. Now it's going to give you 2 video ideas, prompts. So I'm just going to give this a prompt. Okay, so let's hit on enter and let's see what ChatGPT is going to come up with. It's going to be 2 prompts about animals probably playing in the jungle, and then okay, so it's just giving us an idea into the imagery of how that is going to be. So early morning in a lush green jungle. So let's copy the first option and then go straight. This is the second one, the prompt. Okay, so we're pasting this one here, and let's just go ahead and hit on enter and just give it some seconds to see what this is going to develop for us. I'm going to go back quickly to type in the second prompt while this is generating. So you can see the second prompt. So let's go back. So while we wait for this, let's just wait and see what this is going to come up with, and then we paste in the second one. So take a look at the first option and the video it has generated. Let's try to play it without the sound and then with the sound, and let's hear the difference. So this is without the sound. Let's hear it with the sound. So the background sound and sound effect. Fantastic. I think I kind of like this, so let's go on and paste in the second option, which is our second prompt, a vibrant jungle celebration. So let's go ahead, hit on enter, and let's give it some seconds to finish with the generation, and let's hear what it's going to generate in a bit. Alright, so this is what it has generated for us the second time, and I think this is fantastic, even though it doesn't have a background music, but it makes some sense. So what do you think about this new development in Canva AI? Go ahead, explore it and see how you can use it for your own content creation. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.